Thinking about starting a business in Florida? You're in the right place. The Sunshine State is one of the best spots for entrepreneurs. There's no state income tax, a growing economy, and millions of potential customers. Here's how to make your business official, step by step. Step 1. Choose your business structure. Your structure affects your taxes, liability, and how your business runs. You can start as a sole proprietorship if you want something simple. Keep in mind, you're personally liable for debts. An LLC is the most popular option. It gives you legal protection without corporate red tape. If you're planning to grow or bring on investors, consider forming a corporation, a C-Corp, or an S-Corp. If you're working with partners, make sure to set up a solid partnership agreement. Step 2. Register with the state. Go to sunbiz.org, Florida's official Division of Corporations site. There, you can check if your business name is available, file your formation documents, and pay the $125 filing fee. You'll also need a registered agent. That's someone who can receive official documents for your business. Step 3. Get your licenses and permits. Depending on your business type, you may need approval from the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation or your local county office. For example, restaurants need health permits, contractors need state licenses, and most businesses need a local business tax receipt. Step 4. Handle your taxes. Florida doesn't tax personal income, but businesses still have other obligations. If you sell products or taxable services, register for a Florida sales tax ID. Corporations may owe a 5.5% corporate income tax, and if you're self-employed, you expect to pay Social Security and Medicare taxes. Once you've completed these steps, congratulations! Your business is ready to launch. SK Financial CPA offers complete incorporation services, starting at just $299. Our package includes everything from entity-type consultation, articles of incorporation filing, and EIN registration, to S-Corp election assistance and access to our CPA Resource Library. You'll save up to 300% compared to LegalZoom and get your incorporation completed in just 3 to 5 business days, all with accuracy guarantees and year-round CPA support. So if you're ready to start your Florida business the right way, get in touch with SK Financial CPA.